Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to design like a pro without spending a dime, today's video is for you. I'm going to show you exactly how to get Canva Pro completely free for 30 days, step by step. Stick with me till the end because I'll also share some important tips to make sure you don't accidentally get charged when the trial ends. Let's dive in. First, open your browser and head over to Canva's official pricing page. You can also use a partner or affiliate link that takes you directly to the free trial option. Once you're there, you'll see a button that says Try Pro for free or Start my free trial. Go ahead and click that. Next, you'll need a Canva account. If you already have one, just sign in. If not, you can quickly create one using your email, Google account, or even Facebook. After you enter your details, Canva may send you a confirmation code to your email. Just copy and paste that back into Canva to verify your account. Once your account is ready, click the Start My Free Trial button. Canva will then ask for payment details. Don't worry, you won't be charged immediately. You can use a debit card, credit card, or even PayPal. This step is just for verification, and the actual billing won't happen until your 30-day trial ends. And that's it. The moment you complete this step, you'll unlock all of Canva Pro's premium features, from advanced design templates and brand kits to background removers and team collaboration tools. You can now enjoy everything Canva Pro has to offer for free during your trial period. Now, here's the important part. Make sure you cancel your trial before the 30 days are over if you don't want to be charged. Canva will usually remind you, but it's best to set a quick reminder on your phone or calendar so you don't forget. The good news is you can cancel anytime during the trial and still enjoy the full 30 days of access. So that's how easy it is to get Canva Pro for free for 30 days. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on tools and digital hacks that save you money. And check out the description below. I've added a direct link so you can start your Canva Pro trial right away. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.